Okay, so here's Atom still very empty. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our project, our first project folder. To do so, just click on Add Folders. And I want to have my folder here in my Documents folder. Create a new folder, give it a name, and then just hit OK. And now in the project panel, I can see this project folder. So to create our first file, we just right-click, then choose New File, type in our file name, and we're ready to go. Now we can start with coding. For example, just put in a simple print statement. Okay, so the thing is that we cannot run this script directly from Atom now. We could change over to our terminal and then change into the directory and run this script there, but we also want to run it from the text editor directly. And in order to do so, we will install a package which is called Atom. So click on Edit, then on Preferences, and then there is this Install button. And we can either install packages or themes. We will only install some packages here. Type in script, and there we will find the package called script run code in Atom. It has around 3.6 million downloads. To install it, just hit the install button. Once installation is completed, then we will see 3 buttons here: settings, uninstall, and disable. Let's take a short look at the settings. There are some settings that we can configure. For example, the position of our panel. We want to have this panel at the bottom. This is also the standard or the default choice. Then there is a short presentation of what the script is, a list of all the programming languages it supports. We've got Python here. And then at the end, there are also the shortcut references. So to run our script, we press Shift-Control-B. And if we do this now, this will result in an error, you will see. And we receive the message unable to run Python. And the reason for this is that the script looks for our Python command, but we need to execute Python3. And the only thing we need to do now is to link Python3 to this Python command. And to do that, we open our terminal. In the command line, we type sudo ln, so this is the link command, then /user/bin/python3, and then user/bin/python. Press enter. We need to confirm with our password. Okay, so now if we type Python, we will no longer receive this error message, but we will directly run the Python3 interpreter. Let's exit out of that and see whether this also works with Atom. So to run Atom, it's to run the script, that's Control-Shift-B, and we can now see our output here in the small script panel.